So for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of different background for your YouTube videos. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Bash, and if you're seeing this beautiful face for the first time, don't make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button. To my returning subscribers, hi boys and girls. So for today's video, it's showing small fake life where we move. So for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of different background for your YouTube videos. If that sounds like what you're interested in, please keep on watching. The first thing is make sure you film on a plain background. That is the key. Filming on a plain background is going to help you so that when you crop yourself out of that picture, you're not going to take like a lot of things with you, right? You just take yourself to somewhere else. But I hope you get the vibes, right? Another thing is less movement. You see, I'm talking to you now, I'm frozen. Avoid because it's going to make your videos glitch a little bit, so try to like make less movements. Then the third one is good lighting, because once you take yourself out of that background and you put yourself in a different background, if your original video is not good to start with, the background is not going to make it good. So make sure that your lighting is on point. Even if you don't have artificial lighting in front of you, you could use natural lighting, so long as you're facing the window and everything is crisp and clear. Then also place your phone on a tripod stand. Don't give your phone to somebody to hold. Don't put it somewhere that is shaky. Just maintain that steadiness. Just place it on a tripod to avoid shaky videos. Finally, always clean your camera lens before you start recording any video. It is very important, because if your lens is not properly cleaned, it's going to be very blurry. You get the vibe. Then the last point is always make sure that your video has already been properly edited. You know, you've done all the whole cuts, or the whole save, or the whole microphone, or the whole audio. You've done everything. Then you export it before you now put it onto the app to start changing the background. So let's dive straight into the video. You can either use your Pinterest or your Canva app for this. So log on to your Pinterest app and type the background that you're looking for. It could be an office, it could be a bedroom, it could be a studio, it could be a sitting room. What type of background you're looking for. So go through the pictures and look for the one that, you know, appeals to you. When you get the particular image that you're looking for, you just go right ahead and save it. Then if you want to use your Canva app, log on to your Canva app, look for the search button, type YouTube thumbnails. Click on the blank canvas, the one with the cross in front. Then when it loads, you click on elements. Click on generate your own. Then type whatever description that comes to your mind. It could be a bed with a flat screen, it could be a studio space, it could be a sitting room. Whatever description that you want, you type it down, then it is going to generate it for you. And if you don't like the images it's generated, just click on generate again and it is going to show you different pictures. Then you click on that, drag it to fit the screen. You can also decide to edit it further. Just click on crop and move around the image, you know, till you get what you're looking for. Then go ahead and save it. Now go to your CapCut app, click on the image that you exported. Then drag it to make it as long as your video. Click on overlay and go ahead to import the video into your timeline. Then click on cut out. To take out the background, click on remove background and it is going to take out the existing background in your video. This is going to take time, so be patient. Click on effects, click on body effects and type blur. It is going to bring out the blur effects. Another way is to click on length, and it is still going to bring out the blur effect. You click on the blur and then you extend it to fit the duration of your video. Click on your video and adjust it the way you want. You can either zoom in to make it bigger or you zoom out to make it smaller. Just play around it. Also play around the blurry effect and adjust it to how blurry you want the background to be. And this is the result. So guys, I hope you learned a thing or two. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.